Hi boys and girls, welcome to math. This week we're talking about positional words, words like above, below, beneath, under, on top of, in the middle of, left and right, things like that. And today we're going to talk about near and far. Some things can be near us or far away from us. Let's go ahead and read this book and we'll have an activity afterwards. Near and far are antonyms. Antonyms are words that are opposites. Are there animals near you? In this picture, there are some animals that are kind of near the person taking the picture. And here above is a spider very near the person taking the picture. Fox pups stay near their dens. Here, they stay safe. So here's a picture of the den, the hole kind of in the ground, and this fox pup is very near to his den, to his home. Butterflies fly far south in the winter. There they can stay warm. So here in this picture, they're pretty near, but they're going to fly far away. Lions sneak up near their prey. Wow, this lion is really close to the person taking the picture. He's very near. Zebras run far away from lions. You can see these zebras, they're heading out and they're going to be far away soon from where the lion is at to stay safe. Seahorses hide near coral to stay safe. Very near that coral. Sharks are safe in the open ocean. Some swim far to look for food. Spiders stay near their webs. They wait for insects to get stuck. Some beetles travel far across the desert to find food. Look at this little guy. He's walking, he's got his footprints behind him, and he's going a long ways away, very far away, to find his food. Honeybees work near each other to make honey. Their group is called a colony. Far away, a blackberry hunts for food alone. Now I can imagine this photographer was very relieved, very happy that he or she was far away from this bear. Bears can be dangerous. Father penguins huddle near each other to keep warm. Mother penguins swim far away. They will come home with food for their babies. All right, now a photo quiz. Which animals are near? Which animals are far? Remember these zebras? They're heading far away from where the lion was to stay safe. And here the honeybees, they're staying near to the hive. This spider stays near his web to look for insects that have been stuck there. The penguins, mother penguins swim far away to find fish. The father penguins stay near each other and near the eggs to keep them warm. And the seahorse stays near the coral to stay safe. And this bear right here is far away from the photographer. All right, boys and girls. Now for our assignment, I'd ask that you would take a picture. I want you to take a picture of something. In the picture, there's something near you and something far away. Let me give you an example. Here's a picture that I took with my phone here at school. And as you can see, this pencil, is it near or far? That's right, it's near. It's near me. Now look at the door back over here. Is that near or far? It's far away, right? So take a picture. You can put some toys, a couple of toys in the picture. Put one of them really near to you and really one very far away. Or you could have a plant up close and then your cat, maybe your dog, far away in the picture. But take a picture with something near and far, upload it, and that is your assignment for today. Thank you for joining me for math.